Hi, Conoce Garnier students. Welcome to another video about Google Education. Today we are going to see how to log in your Google account and change your profile picture. So first thing you need to do is to go on Google Chrome, that red, green, and yellow icon right here. And go in the corner, click Gmail. Right here, you're going to write your full email address. Next, your password, and then you are logged in your Google account. Next thing, you need to go in the corner and you get that picture icon. Click on this, and it's better if you already have a picture in your computer. We want to see decent pictures of you where we can see your face and recognize you. So you're going to click on this and rearrange it, and there you go, you got it.